Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get and add an awesome webcam overlays in Streamlabs to make your streams look more professional. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for free webcam overlays. Alright, so we will have a bunch of results. You just need to find particular website that you have lots of options to browse from. For example, we will choose this particular website. Here, just go ahead and choose whatever overlay you want to use. Okay, we're going to choose that looks very edgy over here. Okay, click on download PNG, choose relax download. It will just take a few seconds. Once done, go ahead and open Streamlabs. Click on sources and the plus icon over here. Scroll down, click on image, add source, add a new source instead. We need to add source over here, browse the particular file. So I'm going to go over here, click on it, and then click on done. Right now, we should now be able to use our overlay into our Streamlabs. And that's it, quick and easy. I hope you found this video very helpful.